How to add meta tags to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step, easily how to add meta tags to your Shopify store. Now, this is going to require some code and you will need to bear with me, but it's going to be hopefully very easy and simple to do if you just follow along, and hopefully you won't mess anything up, so don't worry about that. So let's just go ahead and get to it. So the first thing is that you will need to open up your Shopify account, obviously, and then you would want to just go to your online store and go to themes. And like I said, this is going to require some code, so you would want to locate your theme and just go to the three dots right next to it and click on edit code. But before that, I highly recommend that you actually duplicate your theme. This way, if for some reason you mess things up in your code, you don't lose all of your progress. You don't, mess anything up completely to the point that you don't have any more, your last saved theme. So just go ahead and duplicate it. This way you can, guarantee that nothing really bad happens, or if it does actually happen, you can just simply go for the next duplicate here. Just give it a name and you're good to go. So just as a backup. So anyways, once this is done, we can just go ahead and actually get to it. So you want to basically click on the three dots, click on edit code. And then from here, you want to basically go to the theme.liquid, which is right at the bottom here. I mean top here. Sorry about that. Anyway, so you can just go ahead and locate it real easy. And if you don't find it for some reason, you can just search for it at the top here, theme.liquid, and you'll be able to just find it. Anyways, so now I need you to really get close to the screen and understand what I'm trying to say here. So as you can see, the third line, it should usually be at the top here. You can see the head tag here. You want to just go ahead and click right after it, and you want to basically hit enter twice. Okay? And then now we have this empty space that we want to add the code to. So you want to basically just go ahead and open up a new browser tab, and I found this one, which is the HTML meta tag. So just go ahead and look up HTML meta tag and you will find a page similar to this. And we basically want to copy this section right here. So forget about the head codes here at the top at the bottom. Just go ahead and copy in between. Again, just go ahead and click on copy. And then we can just go back to our Shopify store. And we basically just want to paste it down here. So just go ahead and click on paste as plain text, and then we can just go ahead and hit enter once more right here. Now here's the thing, obviously this is not going to be meta tags that are relevant to us, so you want to basically just go ahead and change them. So the description is going to be free web tutorials. Here you would want to basically just go ahead and highlight this and change it to something else. So we can just go ahead and do test description. And then here, same goes for the keywords. If you want to add keywords, you can feel free to do so. You can also separate them like so. And here is going to be the author. You would want to obviously change this to your name. And then we also have the viewport, which I just, keep it the same. So usually it's just going to be the keywords where you would want to add as many as you want here. You can feel free to add as many as you actually would like. So let me see if I can just add one more here. Test. Let's just do test like so. Example, there you go. That's going to be added for us, and then you can just go ahead and save the code and you're pretty much good to go. We can just go ahead and exit out of here and we are pretty much set. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.